6 signs. Your cat is happy, and 6 signs they're stressed. Hey cat lovers. Ever wonder if your furry friend is truly happy, or if they're hiding signs of stress? Cats can be mysterious, but their behavior tells a deeper story. Today, we'll decode 6 signs that show your cat is content, and 6 red flags indicating distress. When your cat purrs with a calm and relaxed body, it's like their way of saying, life is good. Not all purring is happy, but when accompanied by headbutts and snuggles, it's pure joy in feline form. If your cat is making biscuits on soft surfaces or even on you, it's a sure sign of satisfaction. Kneading is a throwback behavior from kittenhood, a comforting habit that shows they feel safe and loved. Is your cat lounging with their belly up or stretched out on their favorite perch? That's a happy cat. These vulnerable spots on display mean they trust you completely and feel secure in their environment. When a cat looks at you and gently closes their eyes in a slow blink, it's their way of giving you a big feline hug. Try blinking back. This small motion strengthens your bond and shows mutual trust. A happy cat can't resist an interactive toy or chasing a laser pointer. Playtime means they're mentally and physically stimulated, and they trust you enough to show off their hunting instincts. If your cat greets you with adorable chirps or soft meows, they're in a happy headspace. These friendly sounds are their way of chatting with you, sharing affection, and maybe even requesting more treats. Stress can make your cat retreat to quiet, hidden areas. If they're suddenly avoiding you or camping out in closets, it could mean they're anxious or feeling unwell. Notice any sudden swats or irritated growls. Unexpected aggression may signal that your cat feels scared, overwhelmed, or is dealing with a health issue. Watch for triggers. A stressed cat might excessively groom to self-soothe, causing bald spots. Alternatively, they may altogether stop grooming, leaving their coat dull and untidy. Keep an eye on these shifts. Those wide-eyed, dilated pupils could mean your cat is frightened or overstimulated. Combine this with tense body language like crouching, and they might be signaling distress or alertness. Stress affects appetite too. Skipping meals or overindulging could highlight emotional or physical discomfort. If eating habits suddenly change, investigate further. Are they yowling or crying more than usual? Cats often increase vocalization to communicate discomfort, boredom, or even pain. Pay attention to this behavioral cue. Create cozy spaces and reduce loud noises to keep stress at bay. Your cat will flourish with a mix of consistent routines, high perches, and peaceful surroundings. Interactive games like feather wands or puzzle feeders keep your cat's mind active and ensure they have fun while bonding with you. A playful cat is a happy cat. Regular vet checkups can help identify potential illness before serious problems arise. Stress can often overlap with medical issues, so don't delay care. Every purr, slow blink, or playful pounce is your cat's way of communicating. By understanding these signs, you can ensure your furry friend feels safe, happy, and loved every day. Take your bond to the next level and share this video with other cat owners. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment about how your cat shows their love. Let's keep spreading the joy of happy, healthy kitties. Thanks for watching our video about the 6 signs. Your cat is happy, and 6 signs. They're stressed. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and please don't forget to subscribe, to like the video, and share it with loved ones.